room that's already been made. Okay.
We good to sample that too?
Everybody gets a full slice when we do our dinner. Okay. So we're good.
We're good.
All right.
you.
So
What's the next?
this pie will be going in the oven.
This is the best Thanksgiving ever.
It's good.
So what is everyone doing for Thanksgiving?
I'm having a party.
You going to your mom's house? Are you cooking?
No.
You just showing up?
She's kind of forcing me to make the mac and cheese.
Oh, okay. What you put in your mat? How many cheeses you put in your mat?
I just follow YouTube sometimes.
Okay. So you don't have like your own little special recipe for that?
They like it though.
Okay, work. You know that's one of the dishes. Is like
You definitely get judged off your mac and cheese.
Yes.
Absolutely.
What you making? You doing everything?
No, it's me and Adrian, so
Oh, okay.
not doing a whole bunch of cooking for me and an 11-year-old. We'll have turkey, we'll have broccoli, we'll have mac and cheese. That's what he's requested me to make, and that's what it is.
Okay.
That's it.
Ain't
And
no
I'll
wrong.
have copious amounts of wine.
She said.
What more do you need?
Oh, she
How
said.
you doing? Yeah.
I'm making baked macaroni and cheese and turkey.
Ooh. Are you frying the turkey?
I'll put it in the oven.
Oh, okay. So how many cheeses you use in your mat?
I can't say it's a secret.
We can live that so I can come get a plate.
Most people use 3 or 4.
Cause I'm doing a drive-by.
In his house.
I'm doing a plate drive-by. Just throw a plate because I'm gonna be by myself. So I was just.
That's it.
Oh, jeez, never mind.
I don't think you probably.
That's further than the corridor. You need a passport
I don't
and
even
a
know what
visa.
he say.
Wait a minute.
Pasadena.
Isn't it?
I thought that was in Anne Arundel.
It's in Maryland.
What city
It's
is
in
that?
Anne Arundel County. It's not that far.
Pasadena.
Is it southern?
Okay.
Honey.
You know where Annapolis is?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
Annapolis, BWI.
Okay, so it's not. So it's about. It's not that bad.
No,
It just sounds bad.
I hope
But is it further than Waldorf? Because
No.
Waldorf is a different country.
Yeah, no, it's not nowhere near.
You must live in Waldorf.
No, I used to live in Baltimore, so that's why I know about Pasadena.
Oh, okay, so it's on that side.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever been out there. What you ladies doing?
30 minutes.
I'll probably be working.
Okay. That overtime, that holiday pay is nice. And then you can still get you still get food, so it's okay. What you two doing?
I really am overthinking.
You can answer that.
Are you cooking?
Yeah, we're cooking for my parents.
Oh, awesome. What you cooking? The whole
You
spread?
get what I'm saying? It's for
We're doing
what?
turkey wings, we're doing pot roast, we're doing
It's just dinner.
Chicken wings are good.
It's just dinner. I'm
doing
sick of
green
it.
beans, mashed potatoes,
Found that I can cook that.
mac and cheese, yams,
Mother's Day.
sweet potato pie.
You cooking?
I'm doing some cooking.
I love turkey wings.
She's ready.
Where'd she go?
I wish that we
She's right there.
She put herself in timeout. You put yourself in
This makes me
timeout.
wish that I grew up with Jehovah Witness.
And Ramesh, what you doing?
I'll be home in North Carolina cooking
Oh,
for
yeah,
the
you cooking
entire
that.
family.
Yes, they will definitely enjoy. Are you frying turkeys?
Yes, I'm fried turkey. I'm gonna do smoked ribs.
Okay.
I'm doing a smoked prime rib as well. Then I'm doing let's see, sweet potato pies with the bourbon in it.
My sister,
Also mac and
child,
cheese.
my sister.
And a few other things.
Can you bring me back a plate? Let me come back.
I know.
On Saturday or Sunday. I can bring you a plate.
Yeah, just bring me back a plate. What you doing? Late man. What you doing? Late Tony.
What would he get?
Nothing but sweet potato pies.
You making sweet potato
Tall
pies?
and deep voice and over my arch.
Are you making the sweet potato pies? So do you do it that way with the blender? Or you
No,
beat it
actually, I
out?
picked that up from him.
So you were one of those that sat on thing and beating the stuff. Okay, so now you found a shortcut?
No,
Of course.
Do you make yours the same way?
My mother was like,
Similar, yeah.
Okay.
He asked me on camera.
Face down.
Yeah, from my grandmother.
It's
For the conversation, the stuff with her, that was really good.
I mean, wasn't it Wednesday?
So this is a family tradition?
all the leftovers, you got to do all the stuff with the extra.
Yes. She didn't need
No,
that.
What conversation?
Wasn't it Thursday?
Right, it's like,
After a few days.
Okay. Alright, so what kind of conversation
But we
y'all have
love
down here?
this. We are so grateful.
Are they being inappropriate yet?
No, actually, we're very appropriate. inappropriate. We're just talking about how when it comes to like
What is that?
when it comes to Thanksgiving, how some of it we're just over.
I'm so over it.
It's just another Thursday to some people.
I'm just not in the mood.
Me neither. I mean,
really-
especially coming off of COVID, we cooked so daggone much during
I
COVID.
just don't even want to have anything to do with it.
All right, well, let's go play cards and drink. How about that?
I can't because my mom.
But I don't
was
like play
I'm
cards,
cooking.
though.
I'm like, I don't want
I
to
give
do
my card
it.
vote for that.
You can fake COVID.
You can say I got a quarantine.
Yeah, you gotta say
I've gotten out of stuff doing that.
My mother would
She
not.
wants to see
do
through
that.
Alvarez, so she wants to see through that,
My
right?
mother be like, "Well, I'm vaccinated, so we good."
So you have so do you have a big family? Is it going to be a lot of people? It's just,
Oh,
I didn't want it to
problem.
be. No, I just didn't want it to be anything.
oh,
So,
Like
so what was
nothing.
it? What was it like when you were a kid?
Thanksgiving,
it was huge, right?
not huge, but it was just so much stuff, and just like all this emphasis on nothing. It's just dinner. I'm over
It's
it.
not even just dinner. It's a way
But you have kids, right?
I do.
All right. So are you trying to pass the transition down to the kids, or are you just
What
over it for that?
tradition? Just dinner.
It's not just
It's not
dinner
just
though.
dinner, though.
Thanksgiving is more about because some people
It's
don't
not.
see
It's
their
just
family.
another day.
Okay, can I?
It's what you make it though.
Okay, it is what you make it, but I will say, as a child, I looked forward to Thanksgiving when I was younger
Why
before
don't
my
you look
mother
forward
passed.
to Sunday or
But
Saturday or Monday,
I'm just
like any other day?
I'm giving my story as to why I don't look forward to it now. It's not that big of a deal now, but I'm saying when I was younger, it was a place where all of our family got together that you may not see during the year because we all live in different places. So it was nice. When my mother passed away, that went out the window because she was.
But
So
see, that's the
good.
That's the perspective of it because
So
we
it was
see each
nice
other all
for me.
year
I'm not allowed to
anyway.
speak.
Like me and my family,
I'm
we
not
see each
allowed
other
to tell,
all
I'm
the
not allowed
time
to tell my
anyway, so
story.
it's like-
I'm not allowed to say
So I
that
can understand
because of that, because you held.
So what
up-
family traditions are you bringing into your family?
Right, because you held on to that so much. When those people leave you, you have nothing.
You're right, and that's what I was
So
trying
then
to
don't hold
finish.
on to that.
I'm not holding on to it. I was saying, I was just giving the
What I'm saying is that every day
foundation of what I'm
trying to
saying.
say the opposite side. Does it make sense what I'm trying to say? Is that I hold on to every Saturday, every Sunday that I had with my family. I thought that those were important.
They are very important.
Christmas,
And so-
on the other hand,
don't celebrate
I'm not
Christmas
gonna sit
either.
there and
I'm down with
say,
that.
yeah, you know,
I'm down with that one.
yeah, I like the light.
If you're a family that has, you
I like
see
the
your
light.
family all the
Look,
time. This
I
is
like
one
the light.
thing, but it's just a way to get together and be thankful. It is a man-made holiday, or when the Pilgrims. and
Yes,
the
that's what
Indians
I
and
say.
all that.
I say it's a man.
So it's not.
So I'm not saying anything wrong with it. I just
Yeah.
don't want anyone to
birthdays.
hurt because they miss someone
They shouldn't.
during that time.
For
Because
me-
because the people are missing during that time, and the only people that's going to be there during that time is the people that made it so special. We sit around a table. Look at us. We're all sitting around a table right now.
Yeah, and again, everybody does whatever they want to. I was just telling my story as why it was important to me when I was younger. Now it's not. It is another day because I've had big Thanksgivings and I'll cook and my doors are open. If you don't have family or whatever, you can come eat. And then people
But
rarely
you invite
come.
me over.
And then
I
I
haven't got
I
an
ain't cooking
invitation from
this
you.
year. I'm not cooking.
Girl,
I told you I'm gonna be in my bed. And I sent the kids away. Bye. I'm not cooking. I will be at what's open. I'm gonna go to her house. I'm gonna go to
your
Ranisha in
house,
South
your house.
Mountain, North Carolina.
going-
I'm going to their house. I'm going to Pasadena.
That's
No.
Pasadena.
Pasadena. I am. Just meet me halfway on $4.95 or $50 or whatever. Just throw the plate out the window. I'll catch it. Just wrap it good in the foil though.
You can just leave it at the
Matter of
door.
fact, just go get 30 of these from
Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
Right.
Or no, it's cheaper at what's that place called? Sam's. You get like 30 of them for $14. You get 30 of these pans. Just get that.
From where?
Sam's Club or
Sam's
Costco.
Costco.
You can get the big 30 pack of these.
Who knew?
Yeah.
You got the
And send
inside.
people home with that instead of the paper plates. I mean, that's true. That's just me.
All right. So what you doing over here? You guys see honey. I see sweet
Yeah.
potatoes.
I'm fixing to make the glaze for the yams.
Okay.
Oh, we getting yams.
Yes,
Oh,
we are gonna get some yams.
So you pre-boil
Do
these,
you skin
obviously.
them or?
All right, so for the yams that I do,
That was smart.
all right, part of the family recipe is we use K-Roll syrup.
I haven't seen that in forever.
Years.
So that's old school.
Very much so.
So a little while ago, I poured in some bottled water. So basically, it's filtered water, basically, you know, into the pot to get it started. The next thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna pour in some K-Roll, and we're gonna be generous with the K-Roll. Now, if you don't have K-Roll and you can't get your hands on K-Roll, you can use regular syrup. Okay.
Or what, like king syrup?
Yeah, it's regular syrup. Man, you know.
K-Roll, they still sell those in the store.
They sure do.
I've seen it in a long time.
And guess what? We're gonna be generous.
We ain't, this is not a calorie, what do you call it? Calorie efficient meal. Is that what it would be called?
He's still pouring.
You're
I mean,
right.
It looks like the whole
Oh,
bottle's
you're gonna
going
take
in
the
there.
whole thing down.
Oh, that's
You see
see,
two, right?
that
I
is
think
what
you bought
makes
these two.
us round. See the round belly? It never goes away.
This is Thanksgiving.
This
This
is
is
the
them.
southern belly.
That belly go away.
Last time
No,
I-
it don't.
Last time I checked, I was
Girl,
counting
we
calories
sit
on
here with the
Thanksgiving.
same belly. It don't go away.
Right,
It doesn't go away.
right. You right, chef.
We don't count calories on Thanksgiving. I know I'm not.
It never goes away.
All right. So,
And now what you gonna do with all that sugar?
organic blue agave. Okay.
We got a little healthy.
Liquid sugar.
It's a little bit healthy.
Just a little bit.
Liquid sugar.
Just a little bit.
A
And we gonna be
smidge of
generous.
reduced calorie.
And then I got some light agave.
Okay.
So, that's a smidgen.
Blue. Okay.
There we go. We got a smidgen. And last but not least,
Origins
we're
of
going to
tequila.
do butter.
Oh, it's large.
Just butter.